scale of the graph is very critical. And like I said, I had made this presentation maybe a year back. So that was the time when Corona was not there. But when I look at the graph of Corona every day, I see this example over there. So in this graph, so this is how maybe crime rate or infectious disease is generally plotted. And here what I have plotted is two variables, x and y. So the y is square of x. And if I plot that to a linear scale, so this is my plot, and this could be a plot for crime or infectious rate. So when I'm looking at the crime with respect to time, how is it changing? Or if I'm looking at the infectious disease with respect to time, how it is changing. So when I plot the graph on a linear scale, I get an impression like, okay, it is increasing and the situation is worsening every day. Hmm. But the same graph, if I change the scale, if I make one of the axis to the log scale, then I keep the x-axis on the same scale, but the same graph will change to this. So if you go to this COVID statistics over there, you will see one of the graph there which shows the number of cases or death. They do plot on simple scale and they plot on linear scale also. And when you look at the linear logarithmic scale, the impression will be totally different. So even though the number of cases here is very high, but looking at this graph, you will get an impression that okay, the disease is either stabilizing or the condition is improving. And if the same plot, both the axis is made on a logarithmic scale, then the same graph will appear like this to you. And this will give me an impression that from the day one, nothing is improving and things are going as it is. So this is very important point. Like everyone will present the graph. So if I am on the government side or I want to show something like, okay, the situation is improving, I will never show this graph or this graph. I will come up with this graph and tell you that the situation is improving or stabilizing. But if I am in the opposition, I want to show the government in bad thing, I can come up and show this to you. Because both the graphs are actually correct only. We are not changing the data, we are just changing the scale of the data. So everyone can show what they want to show you, and with the same data I can paint three picture to the audience. So be very careful about this when you are looking at data.